What's going on, guys? I don't even know if you can see me or not. It's 6 a.m. I'm gonna head to the gym, and then after the gym I'm going to head to the garage, and we are going to disassemble the bottom end of the engine, try to get the Celica back on 4 wheels. What else? Oh, I gotta take that crank pulley. I gotta take the crank pulley off. Okay. Alright guys, I just finished up at the gym. Time for another motivational quote. Wayne Gretzky, very, very, very famous quote that I love a lot. I didn't look it up or anything, but it's one that I remember. I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, I'm pretty sure it goes like this. You'll miss 100% of the shots you'll never take. Pretty sure that's how it went. He's a hockey player, so it's more of a, it means that way in hockey sense, but it also relates to like the real world opportunities that people don't take and they miss out on, and things that people don't do. So you miss 100% of the shots you never take. That's a fact. But on that note, I would like you guys to like and subscribe, and I will see you back at the garage. Alright, so we're back in the shop. I got like one more trick on getting this crank pulley bolt off. Let me see if I have it. So, okay. Let me try it. Let me just frickin' thing is on there. I'm gonna charge this impact battery. Alright, so now I'm going to take this girdle thing off for where the oil pan goes on. We're going to take a look at the main bearings, possibly take the crank out if I can frickin' get that crank pulley off. What the hell? I like to just thank the world really quick about this fucking achievement. All you need to do is donate these 2 nickels, or no, what was it, 2 quarters to save a life, and I just fucking saved one. I'd like to thank my mom and my dad. I got it. I fucking got it. So much pain and suffering, and I fucking got it. Yes. Yes. Alright, so I ended up getting that bolt out. The only thing is I don't have a crap ton of time to... So I took that bolt out, but now I need to go to the hardware store and go get 2 bolts that match these threads. But I'm not going to do that right now. Probably going to do it tomorrow. Because yeah. So I am going to focus on this car and getting the suspension back in. Not the brakes or anything. I don't really need brakes because, you know, live like Larry. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on the ground. It's just so when I need to roll it out, because I will need to eventually, I can do that. So yeah. Alright, so I threw the front suspension back on. The brakes aren't hooked up or anything like that, and it's not tight. I just kind of threw it back together just in case I have to put the wheels back on the car to roll it in and out. There's really not much else for me to do today until I get those bolts, and you know, I might as well just get started on like cleaning up all this stuff in the engine bay and vacuuming all these leaves and getting the car ready for the engine to go back in, even though I do have to rebuild the whole motor. But yeah, I gotta get another one of these folding tables so I can lay all the parts out. Probably like 2 more folding tables so I can lay all the parts out. And then I gotta get some mineral spirits for my parts washer so I can clean up all the parts. I gotta redo the valves, rebuild the motor. And I also have to do this engine bay. So while I'm waiting on my paychecks and stuff like that, I'm gonna do the tedious stuff now and just get it out of the way. So yeah, catch up with you guys when hopefully most of this is clean. I'll do the flick trick there. So I gotta head on out to work, but before I go, I just wanted to show you what I did. I capped off the parts of the power steering that I don't want anymore, and I just want to show you guys one thing. Probably a year ago from now, I made this test pipe to seal up my exhaust leak, and these are my first welds. Pretty good. Obviously you can see that it did not seal all the way there, so I JB welded it. Also uses a really cool JB weld gasket, and yeah, I completely missed a spot right there and ignored it. But yeah, so my O2 sensor went in there because I deleted it, the cat. So yeah, that was my first test pipe, and that was the stupid exhaust that never fit the car. But yeah, so I just want to end it off right there. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully by the next video we'll either be working on this or on the Mustang. I don't know yet, but I really gotta go or else I'm gonna be late. So thank you guys. Peace out.